Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some cards that I got from some crafty friends, along with a few hauls that I did for Black Friday and a little bit before Black Friday with all of the sales that were going on, and some right around Christmas. So anyways, let's start off with this card here, which is from Sybil B. I really love this card here. It's so pretty. And she did heat emboss it. Look at the shine on there. It's so pretty. She added that little poinsettia with a little gem in there, a couple gems and the little flowers over here. And I want to say that star on the manger is really, it has been heat embossed as well. And then she inked up the manger. Just really pretty. And once again, that's from Sybil B. She has a cute little sticker on the back side with her name on it. Really cute. And then next up, this one is from Faye, which is Relax and Scrap, and this is a gorgeous little card. I love it. She has all of the little metallic paper there, added that gem on that bow there, just for you this Christmas. That's what that says there, but really pretty. I love, love, love all the detail that's on the die cut. It's so pretty. And she didn't sign the back, but I know who it's from. I'll just have to put 2025 on the back side. But I love that. And then this one is from Gail Banks. And this is adorable. I love the scene that she created. She's let that paper really talk, and then she added a die cut on there along with some gems. So pretty. I love it. And then she also added some metallic paper on the outside. And this is in the metallic paper. It's like a metallic blue almost. Really cute. And then she did do her Handmade with Love by Gail Banks. So, and there goes her YouTube channel, Gail Banks Creates. And I'll have the ladies' links down below, so make sure you follow them. I did send out some Christmas cards, but for whatever reason, it's taking the post office a long time to get the stuff there. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully, for the people who I sent out the cards to, they'll receive them soon. But okay, I don't know what's going on. I do have one more card to show you, and this one is from Lisa. You see why I'm a diva. Look at this package. Isn't that adorable? Just too cute. Love that. And this is such an adorable little card there. I wanted to show you the packaging, which is why I did that a little bit separated from the others. But anyways, isn't that adorable? I love this. She got the inking around the little halo that she has on there. Love how this turned out. Just adorable. So much detail on that. On the dies there. Hark the herald angels sing glory to the newborn king. I love that. So cute. And she didn't sign the back of it, but I will be sure and try and put her name and the year on there as well. Okay, so let's jump into another package that I got sent. And this one will be from Miss Emma, My Creative Time. This box looks so pretty. It says, especially for you. Well, thank you so much, Miss Emma. I am so thankful and grateful for you. I've had a fun time designing for you and looking forward to next year. And so we will open this so we can get into it and see what she has sent. I don't think I have enough room. It's just sitting here. So let me open that real quick. And this says a little something to say a big thank you. Love that. Love those colors. And so this is my first time opening up everything. So give me 1 second. This looks like this is a bath bomb, I think. And it says Beyond Grateful. So we'll set that right there. Hopefully it'll stay. Look at this little sunflower. Oh, that is just adorable. And it's crocheted, just too cute. Love that. And this is Beyond Grateful. This is, I think this might be a bar of soap. And it says natural nourishing on there, made with pure ingredients. So we will give that a try. Love that. And I'm just going to leave this in the package, but this is a little reminder that you are truly marvelous. You are a truly marvelous human being. There we go. I can see it now. Anyways, that's really cute. These socks. Oh my gosh, they are so soft and comfortable. I have a little sunflower in the center of it. Love that. That is so cute. I definitely love socks. A little something to say a big thank you again. And this is a handmade candle, and it's lavender scent. Let's look at that and see how that looks. Wow, that smells so good. It does say Beyond Grateful again. Love that. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I have one more thing in here. Cup care instructions. So I'm assuming it's a glass cup. Give me 1 second. Oh wow. Thank you for being awesome. It does come with a little straw as well and the cleaner. Wow, that is so nice. Love everything. Thank you so much, Miss Emma. I really appreciate it. And I'll have her link down below as well. Now we're going to get into the hauls. And one of them, I filmed a little earlier. But anyways, I'll just combine them together. Oh, and I forgot to show the bag that came in. This is such an adorable color bag. And it was a drawstring bag. It is so cute. Love it. Love, love, love that. I thought I would show that too. Anyways, this was not used by that. I went to Walmart and happened to see their little vacuum, craft vacuum. Love this thing, and it was just $2. $2. And I snatched that up too quick, and I love it. I don't even know how I dealt without it. It's perfect for glitter. Then from scrapbook.com, this is one of the freebies that I was able to get, ink blending tool, and then also this one, which was the postage cupcake die and stencil. And so got that. I didn't even realize it was a stencil with that, but I just seen the circle. But anyways, I popped it in my cart. Hold up. Then this is also from scrapbook.com, and I thought that was really cute. I want to say it was like $6 maybe or something like that. It's a pumpkin, so I thought I would grab that. And then this is what I also purchased from there. I know I could have gotten it probably cheaper on Spellbinders, but I was using up a birthday gift certificate, so I thought I would go ahead and get that. And then also, let's go to iCrafter. I picked up a new eraser. It's not in the package because I did take it out to make sure it worked okay. I picked up one from Dollar Tree. Those things were horrible. It tore up my paper, so I was just like, let me get the real deal. So I picked up this, not from iCrafter. I also got this one from Spellbinders. Not Spellbinders, oh my gosh, from scrapbook.com. But it was an iCrafter eraser. And then I also picked up this, my favorite. Did I say favorite? Yes. My favorite tweezer from iCrafter. I had one, and I had been wanting more, and so I finally decided just to go over there and pick up 3 more. And lo and behold, they're closed now. I mean, like a week or 2 later and they're closed. But anyways, got that. And then from Peachy Keen Stamps, I purchased quite a bit from there. If you don't know, they are going back into retirement, so their doors will be closing as far as stamps. They still are going to be open to sell the digital stamps, but no more of the physical stamps. But I thought I would jump in on the physical stamps before they were all gone. So this is one of the sets I got, Happy Polar Bear stamp and dies. So there goes the stamps, and that's a really nice size die. And then there goes the die, nice size stamp, I'm sorry. And then Waddles. He was so cute. Oh my gosh. And so I got him. Still, once again, nice size. Got the die to go with that. I got the Chillin' Polar Bear stamp. He's adorable. And then nice size once again. And then I also picked up this Cup of Joy. And these were good prices. They're at 40% off right now, off of their sale price. Even if they have it on sale, it's an additional 40% off your total purchase, if I'm not mistaken. That's how that works. But anyways, this is really cute. So if you can see her right there, love that. And I got the die to go with that. Then I picked up the small Scarecrow die and stamp set. Now this is really small, it's tiny, but very cute. And then I also got the medium Scarecrow die and stamp set. Like I said, these are good prices. And then I also picked up the Marshmallow Kisses die die set, and then I picked up one of the stamps to go with that. I wish I would have picked up both sets for the marshmallow faces, but got this one. I was thankful for that. The other one's gone now, but nevertheless, I got other faces, so I can also use other faces on these marshmallows. But those were a great deal, and we'll see how much further they go down. I might go back over there. Don't need anything else, so of course, but just to let you know, that sale is going on, 40% off. Okay, and here go what I got for Black Friday shopping, and a little bit before Black Friday, but they were doing Black Friday sales with all of these. Anyway, so from Spellbinders, they had a good price on these, and so I thought I would pick these up. Love enamel dots. Let's stick with Spellbinders. And then I also got this here from Spellbinders as well. It was a good price, so I thought I would pick that up. I hadn't had it, and so I'm glad to have finally gotten that. And then from Spellbinders again, let's get in there, and I think this is the last of Spellbinders. I also picked up these Wander boots. Love those. I've been wanting this one for a while. It's called the Country Wheelbarrow. They had that as at a good price, so I picked that up. And then I really liked how this little tree looked on here, and that was the reason why I picked that up. So that's faux embroidered spruce. So I like that. And I can use that two different ways there. I can use that by itself. So really like that. And then Cottage Cuts had a really nice sale. When I say these things were so super cheap, some of them was just like $1 this particular day, and some of them weren't even $1. So I was really happy to have gone on there and gotten a few things. So we start out with the honeybee, so adorable. The fence and grass, that I've always wanted a fence that's a decent size, and so I got that. Cross with draped cloth, like that. And these were just like $1. No joke. And I was just like, yeah, I'll pick these up. So Nested Wacky Stitched Square. And this is the circle one. And the rectangle. And then I also picked up the lighthouse. Fireworks. Firecrackers. Oh, and one more of the nested ovals. And then I also picked up this classic car front, like that. And then for my creative time, I thought I would hit up some of her retirement area before it was all gone. And then I also picked up a box here, box die. But anyways, I got this one here, good price. I mean, if it's still in the store, I would definitely say pick it up, because, I mean, at the price, she's almost giving it away. Of course, with the extra discount, if you use one of the designer's codes as well, and that comes with a die. Use those hands for anything. You can hold a little gift card or anything like that. But yeah, I like that. And then I also picked up the note holder die. In the school platform, she had a craft with me video, and we were using this, and I didn't have it, so I wanted to pick that up. I picked up the tall popcorn die as well. And then I've already made a card with this one here, which is the stocking cover card. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Not sure if this is going to go up before New Year's or after, but whatever the case may be, I hope you all have had a blessed holiday season, and Happy New Year to you. Thanks so much. Have a blessed and crafty day.